Hey, welcome back to the channel. I have a fun one for you today. I've been traveling a little bit and I packed a ton of 120 film and got all the way here and realized that I do not have my medium format camera. So I thought nothing of it. I have my 35mm, so I wasn't even thinking about it. I went into a camera store and looking for one thing, and of course left the store with other things, and one of the sales folks in there recommended this camera to me. This Stellar 120 little plastic film camera reminded me of like the Holga cameras that I've seen a lot on YouTube and out and about on the streets. And he told me about it. He showed me some sample photos and brought the price down and was like, hey, would you take it for $9? And I was like, you know what? I will. I have a ton of film. Let me try it out. So I'm not someone who likes to force myself to photograph anything or to film anything. I really get a lot of joy out of creating things visually, and I don't want to make it annoying. So I don't typically make those types of videos or these types of videos, but I decided why not give it a try. It's a camera that I do know, like I have confirmation that it produces photo. It's super low stakes. So I'm gonna try it out. The catch of all of this is, which I think is the fun part for me and hopefully for you, is that I'm gonna show you the photos no matter what. If the roll comes out blank, you're gonna see it. Hopefully not. I'm excited to just like have a ball with this. It's like very plasticky, not very plastic, it's plastic. It's like little vibe. Here it is. Yeah, and it's clearly really old. I couldn't find much on the camera. I'm not about to give y'all some serious like spec'd out review of this camera. It seems fun, and I literally stumbled on it for almost no money. So I'm really excited to check it out, and stay tuned. Let's see what happens.
Hey, what's up YouTube? My name's Sharday, and I'm about to take you on a journey to try out a new camera. Let's do this.
Say it again? Period. You two take care. Cool. I'm tired of the scenery. I guess maybe we could try it again. Oh, this old town thing is over here. So the conclusion I've come to using the Stellar 120 camera is that I never need to use it again. I had a really fun time using it. I had a great time hanging out with my friend Mouse. I had a wonderful time making this video. It was genuinely very fun. I'm actually looking forward to doing more videos like this with different cameras. You saw the photos. I'm happy they came out, but I would not put another roll through it. So if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. And thank y'all so much for watching. Until next time.